What's going on, guys? And welcome back to another video. I'm gonna be playing some roblox with the login, but you can't see anything, so I'll be doing my stupid cousin. Now password. So yeah, I'm just playing some Roblox. And do you know what game I'm going to play? I hope you do. I'm gonna play some Bee Swarm. I just started, so please don't make fun of me, because I just started, okay? And Bee Swarm. See? I know. Look. Logging onto it now. See, look, guys. I'm a noob at this game. Da 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 da. Now I have these much, but bet you none of you've got the. Come on, please say this is a ninja one. A fire one. It's my other new one I have. Oh yeah, this one. Carpenter. Bunko. Oh yeah, and stubborn bee. I'm checking if I have any more royal jellies. Oh, what's the oil do? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I think I need to change. A luckily. An exhausted bee. A look a bee again. My God, like. What does oil do? Grants 1.2 bee and players move speed for 10 minutes. Oh my God. See guys, look, I've just got a parachute, nothing much. Treat dispenser. Oh my God, I move like the Flash. And dude, if none of you know, there's a new place up here. So, yeah. Look at that. Look at mine. And dudes, look at this snail by here. Oh, what the? Hey! For 10 minutes. Look, guys, quest. Mushroom field. Ooh! Black bear. Looks like Black Bear's the one. That brown bit under there, isn't it? I might as well just go fire myself. That is black bear right here, isn't it? Yeah, it's black bear. Oh, nice job. You are a... Ooh. Do you know that? Eat talk. Okay, so add the adventure. Collect. Oh my god! Collect 150 blue pollen. Where's the blue one again? Oh yeah. Those are the pineapple one over there. Oh yeah, the blue one's here. Yeah, you guys, you have no chance. A sprout has appeared. Oh, extra money, extra money. Oh, hallelujah. So, collect like loads of it, guys. Loads. 1,500. Ooh, yep. I feel sorry for this kid, the one that has 900. And I could go through here. I soon could not even buy that. But ingredients, soon I would be able to buy that. Yeah, I got that, I got this, so yeah, I can just make that, like, oh, blueberries dispenser, ooh, nice, oh my god, blue boost, oh my god, oh, look how much, if my bees do stuff, oh my god, I could easily just collect all of this. For 10 seconds. Times 7 speed. Come on, show me another one. Show me another one. Yeah. 9. Then more of. Come on, show me another one before my another one runs out. So I can get to 10. Show me some good news. No, come on. No. Look at this now. Oh my god. Too late now. But might as well. Oh, yay. Guys, I might have to do this in my spare time. So, yeah. Oh, there he is. Oh, no, I still need to collect the pollen. I might do this in the spare time. Right, oh, bees. Go. I'll be right back now, dudes. My bees will do some work. And yeah, first let me act. The locker bee big.
Tired of the continuous.
So yeah, dudes. I will share. Hi. Everybody great. Oh no. Need to get up here and no. Oh, I don't want to run through there and eat to make honey. Ooh, bees, you're the best. Ooh. No. Do I seriously have to start doing it? What the? Yeah, thank you. This better not have tinned. Go, go, go. I can feed these to them. So yeah, dudes, I know this video is gonna be a bit short, but I am going to do this in my spare time, so you don't have to watch me do this, okay? So see you in the next one. Peace.